Alright guys, today well, you probably haven't seen me before, because I'm kind of new. Let's see here. The thing that I will be talking about is like games, doing walkthroughs, stuff like that. But today I'm just going to be introducing myself, and I am very close friend of the Tyler Show. His real name is Tyler, yes. Me and him go to school together. Alright, so, what we will be, well, me and him might be doing some shows, so, well, I might be doing a, walkthrough later on today about Skyrim. I don't know if I should restart or not, but, so, let me know what game I should do. Oh, and I do dancing sometimes. I can do funny jokes, like, uh, your mom is so fat she has more chins than Chinese phone book, or things like that. So, yeah.